The downloading, do not turn off target screen usually lasts 5–30 minutes. If it takes longer or your device acts abnormally, this video explains the possible causes and 8 effective solutions. Part 1. Why does downloading do not turn off target happens? Possible causes: wrong button press, update failure, bad firmware, app conflicts, system errors, hardware issues, failed root or ROM. Part 2. How to fix downloading do not turn off target in 7 quick ways. Fix 1. Conduct a soft reset. Hold volume up plus power plus home till the screen goes blank. The phone will restart. If not, press power to turn it on. Fix 2. Force restart your phone. To force restart your phone when it is stuck on downloading, do not turn off target. Press and hold volume down plus power at the same time for about 10–15 seconds. Keep holding the buttons until the screen turns black and the device restarts. Fix 3. Enter safe mode. Safe mode disables all third-party apps, helping you identify and remove apps that may cause the phone to get stuck on the downloading. Do not turn off target screen. Power off the device, turn it on, and hold volume down when the logo appears to boot into safe mode. Fix 4. Wipe cache. Power off the phone. Hold volume up plus power plus home or volume up plus power to enter recovery. Highlight wipe cache partition, press power. After clearing, select reboot system now. Fix 5. Flash firmware. Download firmware and extract. Install USB drivers. Open Odin. Enter download mode. Connect USB. Load files AP, BL, CP, CSC. Check auto reboot. Click start. Wait for past phone reboots. Fix 6. Factory or master reset your phone. Power off. Hold volume up plus power plus home or volume up plus power to enter recovery. Select wipe data or factory reset, reboot system now. Device should start normally. Fix 7. Turn to a trusted third-party repair. If DIY fails, use a trusted repair service. Technicians can fix hardware or firmware issues safely, including reflashing or system recovery. Choose a reputable center to protect your device and data. Part 3. How to fix downloading do not turn off target professionally. If your phone stays stuck despite resets or cache clearing, professional tools are needed. Android Repair can safely and efficiently fix the system without risking data loss. How to get rid of downloading do not turn off target with Android Repair. Launch the Android Repair tool on your computer after free download. Connect your Android device via USB and select Android Repair from the left-hand menu. The program will display the types of Android issues it can fix. Review them and click Start. Enter your device details in the interface that appears and click Next to proceed. Type 00000 into the provided field and press Confirm to continue. Keep in mind that performing the repair may erase all data on your device. If it isn't a Samsung or Poco or Xiaomi or Redmi phone, follow the on-screen instructions to boot your Android phone into download mode. Once the phone is in download mode, click Next to download the correct firmware for your device. After the download is complete, tap Fix Now to remove the downloading. Do not turn off target screen immediately.